What's going on, guys? It's Nicholas here. This is my 2009 Lancer GTS, and I'm 15 years old, and this is my, well, I'm not exactly sure how much cars I've bought and then flipped, but anyways, I'll just give you a little tutorial on what I do to make money, how I buy cars, and how all this works, all of that fun stuff. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. I'll show you a little bit around the car.
Alright, so this is the car right here. There's barely any damage on it. All it really is the halo headlight and the fender. Fender I already got in the back seat, just got it repainted now because it came in a gray. And all the only damage really is on the rim right there. Little scratch, but it's nothing to really be worried about. My favorite thing about the car is probably this right here in the back. Two 12-inch subs. Really enjoyed driving around with these. We've got all that power bass coming. Put like little things on up right here. I'm not sure, it's not really gonna help anything. But they're carbon fiber, so why not, eh? Yeah. Other than that, the car is pretty much clean. Not very clean from the inside, but whatever. It only has 138,000 kilometers. There's no check engine light on, nothing. The sparkle shifter, these retail at like 120 bucks, I believe. Yeah. So this is gonna be my first video, so it's not gonna be the best, but I'll keep on working on it, and I'll show you how we're gonna fix it, what the car needs as a rebuild title and whatnot. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go for a little cruise here and explain to you what you need to do in order to get the car road ready or ready to sell, ready to flip, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, anyways, so you obviously need the safety inspection, which I already went to, and all this thing needed was a sway bar link and the headlight, obviously. And the safety guy also broke off a bolt on the rear brake caliper, but that's alright, that's an easy fix. Then you also need a wheel alignment and a body integrity inspection. Wheel alignment is just, I think most people know this, it's just it just lines up the wheels with the steering wheel, so when you let go of the steering wheel, the car will still stay straight and not go over onto the other lane. This one pulls a little bit to the left here. And then the body integrity just checks if the frame... The body integrity just checks if the frame is straight and yeah. So if the frame is not straight, you need to get it pulled or whatever so that the frame will be straight, or else, well, you obviously can't get it road ready then, or can't get the safety or anything like that. I really enjoy this car. It has a decent amount of power, even though it's front wheel drive, but I wish I could keep it, but I obviously don't have my drivers or whatever yet, so I just stay on like off-roads or like closed roads, which I'm like private property pretty much. Anyways, that's just about all I can say. That's all you need, and then you obviously need to get all the parts back on, painted so it all matches up, and then sell it again. This car specifically, I got an offer ready for $6 grand once it's ready, and I paid $2,800 for it, and then it was $3,150 or something after taxes. So then you're gonna do the safety for 100 bucks, wheel alignment like 60 bucks, body integrity 500. So I'm like I'd like about 3,000, and with the fake fixes and whatnot, I'll be at like 3,200 something like that. We'll see how the body integrity inspection works on Wednesday. I got that appointment, so we'll see how that turns out, and I'll keep you guys updated. And then I'm happy to bring you guys along on this trip. Oh, that's a big Falcon. I'm happy to bring you guys along on this trip and to show you how I do this and how anybody could make easy money. So if I sell this car for $6 grand from, you know, 3,500, then I'd say that's not a bad flip, like make $2 grand profit. But yeah, that's all an opinion. So this car doesn't have much in mods or whatever. It has an engine cold air intake, and then the sparkle shifter, some rims. That's just about it. But like the GTS, it's the top of the line, so it has a cruise, it has the aux, everything like that, all the fun stuff, right? Bluetooth for calling and whatnot. Heated seats, what else? AC, whatnot, all that fun stuff, right? Everything, like, not basic, but like a little bit higher off the line, better than like the regular Lancer. Go on this YouTube channel, I'll mainly focus on cars, flipping cars, how to do it, how anybody can do it. No matter how old you are, you obviously need an 18-year-old to buy the cars for you and whatnot, to sign the papers with their drivers. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of fun stuff like dirt biking and whatnot. But a little bit about me is I flipped my first car when I was 12 or 11 years old.
Never gonna let you go, never gonna